Oh, this is gonna make me cry.
Oh no, Alex is gonna be crying. Cut.
Don't touch your eyes.
Don't touch your eyes, just wash your hands. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. And today, look who's here, Shawn Mendes, Shawn Orozco. So this dish is gonna be like perfect for Alex to give him variation for cooking vegetarian food because I know he's gonna have a lot of like Mexican recipes. Now we're gonna share the Indonesian one. The food name is Tahu Gejrot.
Tahu GEJROOOOT.
God. Yeah, you made it. Gejrot. Exact. So tahu means tofu.
Okay.
And gejrot is, I think, the name for the sauce.
Tahu.
Yeah. So.
Now it makes more sense.
Right. Tahu gejrot. And it's super easy, Alex. What you need is only tofu. If you like it a lot. This deep fried tofu. So you cut it small, or it depends on the size you like it. And then we're gonna make the sauce. And yeah, for making the gejrot sauce, we need like chili. And the amount it depends. Like if you like super spicy, you put as much as you want.
Okay.
And then we have onions, garlic. These three ingredients. We're gonna cut it and we just smash it. Yeah, but not make it super soft. Like we make the chili paste, but just a little bit. But I'm gonna let you know how far we have to mix it together. Oh yeah, and then this gonna be in the water. Do you know what is this?
I think I know what it is. I think it's black garlic.
That's a different smell. Have you tried?
Oh, I know what it is. It's tamarind.
It is tamarind. It's a Japanese tamarind. And
that's why it looks different. It's black. Okay.
If you want, you can cut this small onion.
Does it matter how I cut it? Or just in little pieces?
Yeah.
Super professional.
Super professional. Look at that. You say Alex only can eat, he can cook as well.
Wow.
Perfecto. That looks nice. Okay.
See, girls, I can cook for you too.
Oh, you make them melting. So now I'm gonna give you this. Let's see how you can mix them nicely. So just like all together.
Okay.
Alex ngulek teman-teman.
Oh, we have a thing like this in Mexico.
Really?
Yeah, exactly the same thing.
So you know actually how to use that. What do you call it in Spanish?
Molcajete.
We call it ulekan.
Almost the same. Oh, this is gonna make me cry.
Oh no, Alex is gonna be crying. Cut.
Cut it.
I think it's a little bit more and then we should be fine.
Oh, this onion is...
Look at that strong guy is crying because of onion. Alex did a good job, right guys? What do you say? I think that's a very nice one. So,
Don't touch your
don't
eyes.
touch your eyes, just wash your hands.
No, I'm not touching eyes with my fingers. I know they're
Oh,
gonna
we make
burn.
Alex cry. So we're gonna put the camera, I don't know how much, I just put it like that much. Some of the...
Brown sugar.
Yes. Well, some people, they put the salty soy sauce, some not. So I'm just gonna try to pour some, just to give more flavor in it. And then of course a little bit of salt. So it's really easy to do that. Now let's add like maybe 1 spoon first, and we're trying for that. A little bit. So now we can put this inside. Perfect! So we done the sauce. Yeah, that's how we serve it.
Oh, that's easy to make.
It is, right? Then the tamarind, if you don't have the Indonesian one, you can even use anything that you find in the grocery store. Voila! So guys, this is our tahu gejrot made with Alex. So how do you say? Yes, it's easy peasy to make, right?
It's easy to make.
Yeah, let's try it first.
It's good.
If you like it. Yeah.
I'm so proud of you.
Yeah, Alex first Indonesian dish. Sebelum kita kita mulai videonya, aku cuma pengen ngingetin teman-teman untuk jangan lupa
Subscribe.
Share and keep thumbs up.
yes, and like, so then you will be updated with our new videos. Yay!
Okay, let's get started.
Yeah, let's get started. Who's hungry?
I'm hungry.
Sekarang waktunya nyobain tahu gejrot buatan Alex dan aku. Karena ini pertama kalinya mereka berdua nyobain tahu gejrot. Dan si bro sebenarnya bukan you are not a tofu person, eh?
Not too much, but I'll give it a try. It looks
Yeah.
good. And it smells very spicy.
Yeah, it is like, oh, look at that chili. So, yeah. Let's have a grab. Okay, this is the moment of truth, teman-teman. Apakah
Let's see.
mereka bakal suka apa enggak?
See how it tastes.
Yeah,
Enjoy.
enjoy.
It's
Oh yeah, this is good.
It's delicious.
right? I love the spicy though.
Yeah, I love this combination.
It's very nice, and the tofu is very soft. It's like a sponge. So you said this is like more a snack or appetizer, maybe?
Yeah.
It's not a full meal, right?
No, something like that. Yeah, more like a snack.
Or maybe side dish. You
Yeah,
can also have it as-
exactly.
Well, maybe if you don't have anything else, it can be.
It can be a full meal.
I like the sauce. Like,
Yeah.
really want to
This-
drink
like
the sauce.
The favorite is like for me is the sauce, and the tofu is perfect because it soaks up everything. Actually, the sauce is what I'm going for.
And it's not too heavy, so yeah, you can eat it, and then you can eat something else after.
Who wants more? Oh, look at you! Oh, I'm surprised.
I will have some more. It's really
Hello.
good. Did I say I didn't like tofu?
Yes.
Now I like tofu.
Alex?
Yes, please.
Okay. See, I asked. That's why it's enough for one bite because I know you're just gonna like it.
Yeah, that's right. I said before I'm only gonna eat like this little piece.
Yeah, just one piece.
Yeah, me too. I was like, no, that's too much.
No, like it's really good. Like it makes you addicted because of the spicy, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Some people they eat chili with this tofu, not tofu with chili because they put like really a lot of chili. Spicy?
Yes. This is not coronavirus. It's just chili.
Yeah. Indonesia believe that as well. It's exactly
Everyone
3.
gets one. Yeah.
Oh, see?
Thank you.
Apparently we finish it. You're welcome.
It was really good.
Wow, yes. It makes like it, yeah, it grows my appetite because like you're not that hungry and then you just like don't know what to eat and you eat this and you feel like, oh, now I'm ready to eat because
Yes.
it's light, right? It's not
Yeah.
that heavy and then you think you can still eat more.
It like
so-
prepares your stomach for the next thing to come. It's very
Exactly.
good.
So you see, like we don't really waste anything. We finish everything,
Everything is
like
gone.
all the full of the plate.
Okay,
Just
I'll go
like
first.
that.
I said I didn't like tofu so much before,
Yes,
and
you
I said
are.
I only gonna eat like one little piece. I was wrong. It was delicious, and yeah, like I said before, the best part for me was actually the sauce. I like this sour and sweet combination of the sauce, and the tofu just soaked everything up, so it made it really easy to eat the sauce actually. So yeah, I think the favorite of this thing is the sauce for me. But overall, it was very good. Even though I don't like tofu so much usually, this thing is really like a game changer for like eating tofu. For me.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. See, guys.
So thumbs up.
Yang nggak suka tahu tiba-tiba jadi suka gara-gara tahu gejrot. Wah, luar biasa. Nice.
I will say, same as my hermano. That at the beginning, I didn't think I was going to get. I was not going to need a lot of tofu because I usually eat it like not deep fry. like just
Okay, like you cut it
fresh.
and then.
And it's more heavy, right, when you eat it that way.
Yeah.
But this way is lighter.
Yeah, it is.
So that's why I say the same. Oh, maybe like 4 pieces will be fine. But now I feel like I want more.
Yeah. See, like, so the first time, like when I asked them, is it enough or should I fry another tofu? Because it's 3 of us, and both of them said, oh, it's enough. And Basti said, I only eat 1. And then Alex said, maybe I will eat 4. And then after that, after we ate the food, ta-da!
Everyone wants more.
Exactly. Like, yeah, it's so light that you feel, I still can eat more and
Yeah.
more and more, right?
And I think it was especially good because the onion and the chili were at the right degree of grinding. With
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
so Alex
See? Thank you for
Good job.
Alex. There's a very good technique from grinding, so
Yeah.
it's not too soft, not too hard, so that's perfect.
You know, girls, I can grind. You know, girls, I can grind.
yeah, like,
So now cut it.
I can grind your sauce.
what does that mean again?
Exactly.
Well, going back to the dish. So, and yeah, as well, I love the whole Indonesians mix the sweet stuff with sour and all that.
Spicy.
So, I love it. So if you want to gain my heart, just do this all the time. This kind of stuff. So
We found the secret. We cracked the
you
code.
get the secret.
Yes, that's the tahu gejrot.
It has to be better than what
This
you can
one,
do, right? Of course.
Because he knows
So
already how to
it's
do
not
it.
easy. It's not easy. It's not that easy.
That's the challenge, girl. Who
good
can
job.
make the best tahu gejrot? Better than mine. But mine and Alex is we made this together. And yeah, thank you for you who suggest to try this and cook together with Alex. It was a very great idea because I always want to show him how to make like an Indonesian dish, so that maybe when he get like bored with the food he eat, he gonna think, oh, let's today make Indonesian food by himself. So this one is very easy snack. So yeah. And then the tofu, as I said, if you go to Asian store, you always find it. It's, most of the Asian store they have it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And see you in the next video. Bye.
See you next time.
Stay
Bye-bye.
healthy.